CrankWheel for customer support is a game changer when it comes to assisting users in seconds. If you're in customer support and want to enhance your team's performance, stay tuned because I'll show you exactly how CrankWheel can help you solve issues faster than ever before. First, imagine being able to assist customers instantly without the frustration of long email chains or waiting for phone calls. CrankWheel allows you to share your screen with users in just seconds, all without requiring them to install any software or sign up for anything. This means that when a customer is stuck or confused, you can guide them with a simple link and have everything set up in a matter of moments. Next thing, let's talk about ease of use. The platform is designed to be incredibly simple. As a support agent, all you have to do is send a link, and in a click or two, the customer can see your screen and follow along. It's seamless for both the agent and the customer, which means a faster resolution time for issues and a smoother experience overall. The third thing worth noting is CrankWheel's focus on privacy. Many screen sharing tools require full access to your devices or apps. With CrankWheel, that's not the case. You can share specific windows or applications only, ensuring that sensitive information remains private. So, whether you're sharing a document or troubleshooting an app, your customer's privacy is protected. Another standout feature is how it works with phones. If your customer is on a mobile device, you can easily assist them by sharing your screen on their phone through a simple link. No need to worry about compatibility issues, as CrankWheel works across all major platforms with no friction at all. And here's something that might surprise you. CrankWheel integrates effortlessly with your existing CRM and support tools. That means you don't have to disrupt your workflow. All you need is to add CrankWheel to your toolkit and you're good to go. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but is it expensive? Here's the kicker. You can try CrankWheel for free, and if you use the first link below, we've secured exclusive bonuses for you to get even more out of it. The fifth thing to remember is how this tool can dramatically improve your customer satisfaction. Speed matters in customer support, and CrankWheel helps you deliver that. When customers get answers and help in seconds, their experience is greatly improved, and that leads to more happy, loyal users. By now, you can probably see how CrankWheel for customer support is a must-have tool, but wait, there's one more thing you need to know. By signing up using the link below, you're getting an extended free trial, which gives you even more time to test out all the features. So, if you want to take your customer support to the next level and assist users in seconds, make sure to check out CrankWheel through the exclusive link below for your extended free trial. Get ready to see how much more efficient and effective your customer support can be with CrankWheel.